Okay, to start to do the duplicates for the companies, this is the following procedure that you're going to want to follow. So you're going to want to open up Salesforce, click App button in the corner, go to Duplicator, Dupe Eliminator. From here, you go to Dupe Eliminator. Okay, from here, what you're going to want to look for is the company. So do the drop down, do company, company name equals value, and then just go ahead and start in here. So just select or copy it, paste it in here, and find it. Okay, that one doesn't have one. Put the next one, copy it, paste, find it. Okay, now you have two in here. You can select up to 3 companies, but there's typically only 1 or 2. So go ahead and select both. Hit select. Okay, when you go through this, make sure to include as much information as possible. So, and anything that's capital, full capitalization, you want it lowercase. So here's LA, United States, California, Billing Street. Go ahead and select everything as much as possible. Ignore these numbers, it's not needed. Ignore the names, ignore the dates. Okay, right there. Hit merge. It's going to give you this. And then you're done. So there's only one. So after you do that, make sure you highlight it so you know that you finished it. And go to the next person. Next property. Company, I'm sorry. Same thing. Hit find. You got 2. Select both. Select. Okay. Same thing here. Okay. Looks good. Looks good. Looks good. Same. Some of them may have a lot of information, some of them may not. Hit merge. Okay. Boom. You're done. Go to the next one. Highlight. Go to the next company. Fine. You got 2. There you go. Okay. This one doesn't have a city, so you want to do city here. City, address. Okay. Company name. Same. Ignore the names. Ignore the dates. Ignore these big numbers. Merge. Merge. And you're done. And the next one. Highlight. Find. There you go. 2. Name. This one has a city, state, billing address. Company name is the same. Merge. You got 1. And that's it. So to make sure that it's done correctly, you go into Colliers from the app launcher. Go into Colliers, and then you're going to find this. You look up here, search for it. It should be 1 company, and there you go. There's only 1 company, and it's got the address, and everything looks good. So again, app launcher, Dupe Eliminator, Dupe Eliminator. Pull down, go to company, company name equals, copy from the Excel sheet, paste, find, 2 companies, select, include as much information as possible, merge. You're good.